आमी एक एकदां असल्यो गजाली आयकता, की अपघाता लागून एक मनीस जो आसा तो डिजेबल जाता आनी जेन्ना अशी गजाल घडटा, तेन्ना तो जो मनीस आसता तेका फिजिकली खूब त्रास जाताच, पूण तो मेंटली सुद्दां तेका खूब त्रास जाता आनी ह्या गजालीच्यान तेका भायर सरपाक खूब वेळ लागता. जावं अशे लोक आसता जेंकां ह्या गजालींच्यान, ह्या मेंटल परिस्थितींच्यान भायर सरपाक जायच ना. तेन्ना थोडे लोक अशे आसतात जे ह्या अशा मेंटल स्ट्रेसाच्यान जावं अशा सिच्युएशनाच्यान ते भायर सरपाचो प्रयत्न करतात, जाल्यार फक्त प्रयत्न करनात, जाल्यार ते एक आपली वेगळी वळख निर्माण करता आनी तातूंतलोच एक म्हणल्यार पॅरा टेबल टेनीस प्लेयर लॉयड फर्नांडीस.
लॉयड फर्नांडीस हो असो एक खेळगडो जाणे परिस्थिती मुखार हार मानूक ना जाल्यार तिकाच आपली ताकद केली. लॉयड फर्नांडीस एक पॅरा टेबल टेनिस खेळाडू जाची जिद्द आणि मेहनत आयज बऱ्याच लोकांची प्रेरणा थारल्या. ताळगांव रावपी लॉयड फर्नांडिसाचो टेबल टेनिसाचो संबंद आयचो न्हय. कॉलेजी सावन ताणें टेबल टेनिसाची ट्रेनिंग सुरू केली. मात 2016 जाल्ल्या एका अपघातांत ताच्या जिवितांत एक वेगळेच मोडण आयलें. मोटरसायकल अपघातांत ताच्या फाटीच्या मणक्याक गंभीर दुखापत जाली आनी हड्ड्या सकयलो भाग काम करप बंद जालें आनी जिवीतभर व्हीलचॅरीर बसपाची लॉयडाचेर वेळ आयली.
Table tennis I started playing. Actually, I started playing before my accident. When I was in college, in school I started playing. I represented my school and then I represented my college, Dempe College. But then after that I stopped playing. And now after my accident in 2020, I started playing table tennis. 2016 was my accident. I was sitting behind. My friend was riding the bike, and one car had come on the wrong side of the road with full light. My friend got blinded and he touched the car, and then we hit a buffalo. And then I was talking to him. My neck was on his shoulder. And when he hit the car, his shoulder hit my neck and I injured my spinal cord.
So that's why you can't go.
Yes, I'm paralyzed from my chest below. So after my accident, 1 year I was on the bed. I could not sit for more than half an hour.
अपघाता उपरांत घडये जायते जाण सोडून दितले आशिल्ले, मात लॉयडान हार मानूक ना.
After Lloyd met with an accident, it all looked it's like a cloud, like very gloomy. But interacting with him as a person and his very good spirit, I think along these years I've learned a lot. One thing I can say that he, with his lovely spirit, he's made this disability of his, he's turned it into a ability, and it's made him his strong point. Instead of looking at his disability, he's used his other ability, and his fourth is table tennis. He's put that in the forefront, and having this beautiful spirit has helped him to etch a place in the nationals.
2022 कोविड महामारी मातशी निवळ्ळ्या उपरांत ताणें आपले टेबल टेनिसाचे प्रशिक्षण घेवंक सुरू केली.
I started playing exactly, you can say, around 2000 after the pandemic, so 2022, like professionally with a coach. Otherwise, I used to only go to Don Bosco, we used to go to Shama Prasad. So once in a while we used to go, but fully dedicated was after the pandemic, 2022. Initially it was very difficult. First problem is Chopak place na. Chopak म्हणल्यार everywhere there are steps. My wheelchair घेऊन थिंगा some problem जाता म्हाका. So what I had to do, I had to first find out, okay, where can I play? Then finally for my birthday once, my wife decided that better if we get one table and practice at home only. So as a gift she bought me one table. So now I can practice at home only.
नैराश्य, कुडीत जावपी त्रास आणि संघर्षांतल्यान वाट काडीत लॉयडान परत एक फावट बॅट हातीत घेतली. नेमान येसाय आणि मेहनतीच्या नेटार ताणें पॅरा टेबल टेनिसांत नामना जोडली.
So then I participated in one local tournament here in Goali, organized for disabled people. When I played that, I won. I had won the gold medal at district level. So then they told me, why you don't now, since you've got gold in Goa, why you don't try for nationals? In my first nationals, I got a silver medal.
हें जैत मेळोवप सोंपें नाशिल्लें, पूण लॉयडान आत्मविश्वास आनी जिद्दीच्या नेटार तें करून दाखयलें. आतां मेरेन ताणें 5 भांगरा पदकां आपल्या नांवार जोडल्यात.
I got another silver and then straight back to back now all tournaments that I participated, I've got 5 gold medals now.
ह्या सगळ्या जैताचें श्रेय लॉयड आपल्या फामिलीक तशेंच आपल्या इश्टांकूय दिता.
See, first thing you need is family. You need your. When I was in hospital, that time I was always worried that I cannot walk now. What I'm going to do? What I'm going to do this? But I remember after I started sitting on the wheelchair, one nurse from GMC, she told me that 70% of the people who have got an injury like me, they don't survive. They die. She said, you have survived because of support and encouragement from my family. So first I have to thank is my family. Then my friends were always there to support me.
ताच्या ह्या प्रवासान फकत गोंयच्याच न्हय जाल्यार पुराय देशांतल्या तरणाट्या पिळगेक प्रेरणा दिल्या. कुडीचें अपंगत्व मनाच्या ताकी मुखार कांयच न्हय हें लॉयडाच्या ह्या यशोगाथेंतल्यान सिद्ध जाता.
I don't want people to feel sad for us. We also have. See, maybe I cannot walk, but I have different abilities. You have different abilities. I have different abilities. So that you'll only see when you meet different people.
जिद्द, मेहनत आनी जिखपाची ताक आसत जाल्यार खंयचीच गजाल अशक्य ना.
लॉयडा कडेन उलोवन म्हाका दिसता खुबशे जे लोक आसा ते लॉयडाक आयकून तांकां एक बरी एक उमेद येतली, एक नवी उर्बा येतली की जेन्ना अशी परिस्थिती आसता जाल्यार त्या परिस्थितींतल्यान भायर सरप हें सोंपें ना, पूण तें जावंकूच शकना अशेंय ना. आनी लॉयडान जशें म्हणलें की फक्त घरान बसून रावले जाल्यार कांयच जावचें ना, तुमी घरांतल्यान भायर सरूंक जाय, सोशलायज जावंक जाय. आनी तशेंच जे तांच्या घरांतल्या लोकांनी जे घरचे आसा तांच्यांनी ताका कशा तरेन मदत केली जावं ते आजुनूय ताका कशा तरेन सपोर्ट करतात, अशा सपोर्टाची गरज घरांतल्या लोकांची अशें जर फुडें सरतले जाल्यार ती जाय पडटा. आनी म्हाका दिसता एक बरें उदाहरण आमी तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येयलां की आयुश्यान कसलेय उतार चडाव जावं तितून थकून जावं ताका गिव अप करून आपूण ओग्गी बसचें न्हू, जाल्यार फुडें सरचें आनी कितें तरी बरें करचें.